Boeing's been in the news a lot lately, haven't they? I worked for Boeing for 28 years, and I used to say that with a lot of pride. A program I worked on a long time ago, early in my career, is also having problems, a Boeing product. International Space Station decided to throw a chunk of itself on a house in Florida recently. Yeah. I told those guys in meetings to use Loctite. And being a former Boeing employee is really hard because everyone thinks I know everything about all these problem airplanes. But I'm going to tell you a secret. They don't let women near those planes. Can you imagine if a woman designed and built airplanes? A plane would take off from one city, land in another, fully intact. I mean, is that even possible?